Hello and welcome to CIS 4510. In this session, we will address the guidelines and requirements of the course project. Since the project is a group project, you need to start forming your group as soon as possible. To form your group, post your background and skills under group forming discussion area. Then select the proper team members that will fit within the project idea or within your needs of executing that project. Within the first week, you need to select your group members, assign a group leader, then select project from the list of suggested project ideas. If you are not going to use the suggested idea, you can work with an IT faculty, or you can use your own idea, but it has to be approved by me first. The idea has to be feasible and can be done over the next 15 weeks, which means short projects, short ideas or short projects will not be accepted, long projects will not be accepted, and projects that can be done with one person will not be accepted. Once the team has been formed and the leader has been selected, one of the team or the team leader can send an email to me with your team members' names and email addresses. At that point, I will create a group associated with a discussion area to assist you in the meetings and file sharing. The group project will be given through the whole semester as group assignments. Although it will be a collaborative teamwork and the group will create one document, everyone in the team should submit his or her own copy of that assignment. Points will be deducted or subtracted for failing to submit your own copy of the project assignment. The group assignments should be in Microsoft Word format. PDF format is allowed but not preferred. The group assignment naming format should be PA1 or PA2 or PA3 underscore 4510 underscore your last name. Points will be subtracted or deducted for improper naming format. The project reports should be submitted with the proper grammar and correct spelling. We have resources in the college to assist you in the writing process if you need. How does the project or the implementation of the project works? The idea of the IT project management is to implement your knowledge and experience that you gained from other classes to successfully execute the IT project. Once you select the team, you need to discuss the suggested idea between the group members or team members, and if needed, you can select a faculty advisor that might assist you in the implementation process. Group meetings should be held as frequent as possible to make sure of the proper implementation of the idea. Project management tools will assist in the engineer or the engineering side of you in managing your activities and justifying the cost and finding the duration for each activity. You need to initiate your project by identifying the scope, which is the project goal, objectives, assumptions, uncertainties, and risk associated with that project. After that, you need to plan for the execution process or executing your idea by identifying the activities needed to complete the project, including duration of the activity, each activity, the resources or people needed for each activity, the devices needed, the material, and the cost for each activity, which will lead to the total cost of the project. Then you start the execution. You will be using Microsoft Project and Microsoft Visio as software tools to assist in project management. Both software packages are offered for free by the department or by the college. To get your copy, you can contact Michelle Belfort at the ATC campus, second floor, room 207, and her extension is 4186. Or you can email her and she will provide you with additional information on how to get the software or how to download it for free. The following is a list of suggestions for effective teamwork. These are suggestions, but I would highly recommend going with those suggestions working with the team. First, check with your teammates for the best way to communicate with them. Then begin communicating with the teammates as soon as possible and keep communicating throughout the whole semester. If you have a certain situation, describe your situation, whether it's work, school schedule, or anything else to to your teammates, but keep in touch and participate in your part of the assignment for the team. Before you use any humor, ask for permission, or don't call anyone any nicknames, or don't use any humor. Each member in the team will evaluate other team members. The peer evaluation will affect your final grade. Participating in the team project is very important. You will not be able to take your final exam unless you finish your peer evaluation. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me via the available channels, and I will be more than glad to assist you. Have a great day.